If you want to automate tempo changes in FL Studio, here is a simple way to do it. First, decide on the starting tempo of your project. Right-click the BPM display at the top of FL Studio and select Copy Value. Then, right-click it again and choose Create Automation Clip. This will add a new automation clip to the playlist. Now, double-click the automation clip to open its settings. In the minimum field, paste the value you copied earlier. This sets your current tempo as the lowest point of the automation. Next, decide on the new tempo you want. Change the BPM to that number, right-click again, and copy the value. Go back to the automation clip settings and paste this new BPM into the max field. Now, adjust the curve of the automation clip to control how smoothly the tempo shifts between these two values. If you want a gradual transition, adjust the points on the clip to create a slope. If you need an instant tempo change, keep the transition sharp. That is all you need to automate tempo in FL Studio. Try experimenting with different curves to get the timing just right.